On behalf of the Kenya Kwanza team, my brother Musalia, my brother Weta, Malala, Khalwale, and all the leaders who are here, from this forum where we are discussing the economy of our country, we pay tribute to our third president, President Mwai Kibaki, an outstanding economist, a man who has distinguished himself with a great legacy that he has left behind, a man who we all respect as our third president, a person almost all of us here worked with as his ministers. Today, as Kenya, we have lost a great son of our country and a great leader. To his family and to the people of Kenya, tunasema pole sana kwa mzee wetu Mwai Kibaki ambaye ametuacha katika siku ya leo. We are the poorer today without him. He has laid a solid foundation, a foundation upon which the rest of us leaders today we are building on. And he has been a great inspiration for the Kenya Kwanza team, especially his focus on the economy of our country, that today is the... So to him, to his family, to his friends, and to his close associates, tunasema pole sana.